Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, shut the PS4 down completely, not rest mode, then connect your DualShock 4 with a USB cable and press PS. Once done, press and hold the console power button. Keep holding until you hear a second beep at about 7 to 8 seconds, then release. This sequence forces safe mode. You do this because the system bypasses the regular firmware boot and exposes recovery options. It's the only way to access low-level troubleshooting without a working OS. You are now at the Safe Mode menu. Use the connected controller's D-pad and X to move and confirm. Once you see the list, scan the options. Option 3 updates system software, Option 5 rebuilds the database to fix corruption, and Option 7 reinstalls the system software from a USB drive. Prepare that if needed. Make sure to read each label before pressing X because some actions erase data. If you intend to fix file errors, start with Rebuild. If the OS is damaged, reinstall. You finish by selecting the correct Safe Mode option and following the prompts. Be patient and never power off during a rebuild or reinstall because that can brick the console. If you choose Option 7, prepare a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive with a PS4 folder, then update subfolder containing PS4 update. Plug it in before starting reinstall. If Safe Mode fails to appear, make sure the PS4 is completely off. Try holding the power longer. Swap the USB cable or port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.